Is your Audi A4 B8 key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. The fob uses a CR232 battery, costing around $5–10. Pry open the fob, replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity. If that doesn't work, the fob might need to be reprogrammed. Access the vehicle's ECU via the OBD2 port or a diagnostic tool like VCDS. Turn the ignition to on, not start. Press lock/unlock buttons simultaneously and confirm pairing. This resets the fob's encryption key. Expert opinions suggest 90% of B8 fob issues stem from user error like dead batteries, so start there. If battery replacement and reprogramming fail to fix your key fob, the next step is to check the vehicle's antenna. This component, usually located in the rear windshield or roof, amplifies the fob's signal to communicate with the car. Inspect the antenna for physical damage, corrosion, or loose connections. These issues can prevent proper signal reception. Test the antenna's electrical continuity using a multimeter. This helps confirm if the wiring is intact. If the antenna is faulty, replacement typically costs between $50 and $200. Also, make sure no metal objects or obstructions are blocking the signal. Current trends show a shift away from physical key fobs toward digital alternatives like smartphone apps or NFC-based keys, which can reduce dependency on traditional fobs. Aftermarket solutions include universal programmable fobs that can work with multiple vehicles. Cybersecurity is also a growing concern, so applying firmware updates is recommended to protect against potential vulnerabilities. Always remember to try the simple fixes like battery replacement and reprogramming before moving to more complex repairs like antenna checks.